Hello guys, how is everyone doing? I hope you're all doing great. I recently finished developing an early version of a web-based pixel art drawing studio. This project was built entirely using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the wonderful p5.js library. As always, everything you see, from the drawing engine to the interactive tools and user experience, is powered by JavaScript. What you're seeing today is only the very beginning. It's the first version of a much bigger idea that I want to grow over time. I'm not interested in rushing development or trying to turn it into a huge application overnight. Instead, I want to build it gradually, adding features only when they truly improve the experience. Whether it takes 1 year, 2 years, or even longer, I'd rather create something polished and genuinely useful than something overloaded with unnecessary features. At this stage, my biggest priority is simplicity. I want the interface to be clean, intuitive, and accessible so that anyone, from complete beginners to experienced pixel artists, can open the studio and immediately start creating without needing to learn a complicated workflow. Good tools should stay out of the artist's way, and that's exactly the direction I want to follow. The vision behind this project is to create a complete digital workspace dedicated to pixel art. I don't want it to be just another drawing application. I want it to become a place where artists can comfortably create full projects, experiment with ideas, and enjoy the creative process. Pixel art has always fascinated me because of how much creativity can come from such simple building blocks, and I want to build software that respects and enhances that process. This project also combines two things I genuinely enjoy: art and programming. I love creating visual experiences, but I also enjoy solving technical challenges. JavaScript gives me incredible freedom to experiment with new ideas, redesign existing systems, and continuously improve the application. Every feature is an opportunity to learn something new while making the studio better. Right now, I already have many ideas for future updates. Some of the features I'm considering include high-resolution image export while preserving perfectly sharp pixels, multiple export formats for different workflows, layers with visibility, locking, and opacity controls, animation support with frame-by-frame editing and onion skinning, custom color palettes and palette management, symmetry and mirror drawing tools, selection, transformation, and move tools, better brushes, shapes, and fill algorithms, keyboard shortcuts and a faster workflow for power users, visual effects and filters that still preserve the pixel art aesthetic, autosave and project recovery, project files that can be saved and reopened later, a responsive layout that works smoothly across different screen sizes, performance optimizations so even large canvases remain fast and responsive. Beyond adding features, I also want to focus on making the studio feel enjoyable to use. Small details like smooth interactions, subtle animations, thoughtful shortcuts, and a distraction-free interface can make a huge difference. I believe the best creative tools are the ones that feel almost invisible, allowing artists to focus entirely on their imagination. This is only the first milestone, and I'm genuinely excited to see where this project goes over the coming months and years. I'll continue sharing updates as new features are added, and I'd love for the community to be part of that journey. If you have any suggestions, feature requests, or ideas that you think would make this pixel art studio even better, I'd really love to hear them. Your feedback will help shape the future of the project. Thank you so much for reading, and thank you for supporting the journey.